Just came from there, the north side of the farm. I don't spend much time over there. It's the duck pond, Milo's truck, Ruby, or Rudy, sleeping in there. And this is the barn or the maintenance shed where we come after delivering food, come back and warm our hands on this fire, or Milo gets a smoke or a drink. And this bull is on this side of the fence by himself because he was causing trouble with the other bulls. And then today they sprang a leak. The pigs were biting the hose. They caused a... Right here is the east boundary of the farm, and we have some visitors coming. Or I'm the visitor, and they might think I have food, or they're just curious. This is the only second time I've come to see them. Hi there! Would you like to sniff my hand? Yep, I'm a human. Hi there. Can I pet your nose? Oh, no? Alright, how about you? Would you like me to pet your nose? Yeah? So that's alright? Okay, alright. You have... Oh, there's a fly on your back. You don't mind? Well, I said hi to the horses, and they came on over. Hello! My name is Dean. Would you like to smell my hand? Oh, how about up here, where the barbed wire... I'm a human! What did you expect? How about you? You want to try? I'm a human. Nice to meet you.